Guys, this is City Lake. Some of the snow has started to melt a little bit, but they got the roads cleared out here, so yeah, but it's still quite snowy. Now you can see the lake right here, and it's frozen over. I wouldn't step on it, just because I wouldn't do that anyway. But it's kind of weird, like how it's frozen over. It makes you wonder, where are all the ducks? This one's still a little snowy here. And I'm thinking, okay, where have the ducks hidden? Because usually the ducks are all on the lake, and I'm thinking they must be up there in that wooded area right there. That's probably like their little refuge, so I'm pretty sure they're probably all in there. But oh wait, no, thought I saw a duck for a minute, but I didn't. So yeah, it's just frozen over. We don't usually get this much snow, but this time we really got it. It's beautiful, but it's kind of messy, but it's still beautiful. I love it. And so yeah, and there you go. Nobody out here today. Well, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. I just took Patrick to work, so I'm gonna get on back home and probably jump back in the bed. Good morning, guys. I have not vlogged for a very long time. I've had a lot going on, and I've decided that I'm going to vlog again. It's something that I need to do. I need to keep myself busy. I have recently been separated. I'm not going to talk about that a whole lot for respect out of my husband and my kids, but hopefully it will be worked out. I just don't know right now. So anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to start vlogging again. So it is Wednesday, and it's January the 10th, and I'm at work, so I'll talk to you later. Good morning, guys. It is 8:32, and I am currently sitting in the parking lot of the North Carolina State University Veterinary Hospital. Yes. Hope came here today because she's taking some wildlife classes, and so I drove her up here, and she'll be here till 4:30 today. So I'm gonna go back home, even though it's an hour drive, and that way I can get everything straight. If I had some money to spend at the mall, I could do some damage, but that's why I'm not staying, because I could possibly do some damage with money I don't have. So I'm not gonna do that because I don't need to spend any money. But anyway, we stopped off. They had a food truck, so we got coffee, and you gotta see this. I don't think I've had one of these. I may have, but they have beignets. So it's the Bourbon Street beignets out of Raleigh. It's a food truck, and it's so cool. So anyway, I'm gonna head back home. Well, actually, let's see what this looks like. Hold on, I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, these look so good. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna sit here and eat these before I go because they look a little messy too, but oh my gosh, they look good, and they smell amazing. Wow. Yeah, this is gonna be good.